Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use WhatsApp Web on your computer. All right, so let's begin with the video. To get started, open your web browser and search for WhatsApp. After that, open the first link and you will be redirected to this page. When the page opens, at this point you have two options. You can either use WhatsApp directly in your browser through WhatsApp Web, or you can download the WhatsApp desktop app. Both versions work similarly, although the desktop app offers a few extra features like voice and video calls. To use WhatsApp Web, click on Login and you will see a login screen with a QR code. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone. Go to the settings section in the app and look for the option called Linked Devices. Tap on it, then choose Link a Device. Your phone may ask you to confirm your identity using your passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID. After confirming, your phone will open the camera so you can scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account will automatically connect to the computer. Your chats and conversations will then appear on the desktop interface. On the computer screen, you will see your chat list on the left side and the selected conversation on the right. You can click any chat to open it and start messaging using your keyboard. You can also react to messages with emojis, send stickers, and attach files. One of the biggest advantages of using WhatsApp on your computer is that you can easily send files directly from your PC. For example, you can attach documents, photos, audio files, or other media stored on your computer and send them quickly through chat. Everything you do on the computer will sync automatically with your phone, so you can switch between devices without losing any messages. This makes it much easier to stay connected while working on your computer. And that's it. So that's basically how you can WhatsApp Web on your computer. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.